Oh, folks, don't forget, comment, share, like, do all those things, and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to us. It really does.
Welcome back to the Ranch Network. I'm Will Scoville. Jennifer's in the house, and I'm out here working on this massive stables project. And when I say massive, I mean massive. So you've seen where we power washed some of the stables before. We kind of cleaned a few areas out, did some raking and whatever. Got rid of the horse poo. That's important, get rid of your horse poo in your stables. What we want to do now is we had some different ideas for these stables. And I mean, a lot of ideas. Jenny's got ideas for days and weeks and months and years. What we're gonna do is clean this place out, renovate a little bit, and turn it into a plant nursery where we can grow our plants, put them in here for the winter time so they don't get frozen. What we need to do is get this main building and this little room out back prepared. And there's gonna be a lot to do. Check that out. It's broken, and that could fall on my head. So let me move some of my equipment. And of course today, I have the crowbar, right? That's gonna help me demo this back room. And I have a sledgehammer, and I have a smaller hammer, right? I'm gonna need that. And since there's some insulation back here, I'm going to need this N95, what is it? Particulate respirator. That's gonna help out a lot. That way I don't breathe in that insulation, the fiberglass or whatever, right? And I need to hydrate and gloves. So let's get this down. I'm just gonna hit it with the hammer, I think. I think maybe I'll just swing, hit it with the hammer, and it just will fall down. What do you guys think? Always make sure you're wearing your safety glasses when you need to. Let's see. Oh, wow. That's kind of hanging in place. Wait a minute. Is that wired up there? Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? Or I'll just, golly. That's very unsafe. It's very unsafe. So let's figure this out. Let's do the right thing. Okay, so we got this bottom portion off. That was easy. And I should be able to just slide this off, hopefully, without having to climb up here. There we go. Yay, we got it. See, now I don't have to worry about that piece hitting me in the head, right? Now let's get back in this room, start moving out the junk. I got another hazard. There we go. All right, let me put the mask on. It stinks in there, it's terrible. I can barely even breathe with this stupid thing on. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but I can barely breathe. And see, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stage it over here for now. And then I've got trash containers. I can throw the small stuff in there. Let's get to it. So being out here in the stables, you don't know what you're gonna run into. I could run into some kind of possum, a snake, anything. So gotta be watching out for that sort of stuff. Check, check, check on the mic. Chickadee, check, check, check. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. So I figure I got an hour or so today to do some of this work, and I'll do what I can in an hour, which doesn't seem like a lot of time, but it gets me started, right? You know? So you have to start and you have to finish your projects. Now I'm starting. I'm building momentum, right? And you want to keep that momentum up as you're going, but this is the start right here. So no procrastination here, folks. We're getting it done. And besides, we only have about a month until maybe it freezes here in Texas. So we need to get these plants inside this building.
It is so gross and nasty in here, people. You got old paneling in here, and it looks like the paneling might have split and is peeling off, and it's just all over the place in this room. This is where 2 of the vultures were born. They were born in this room. Their mom came out in here, had the baby vultures, and yeah, it's kind of a birthing place for vultures. So, as you guys know, the vulture is the ranch mascot. And so, once we demo a lot more, then I'll start going over some of the renovation plans. Right now, it doesn't make much sense because you really can't see anything except a big mess. And once we get the floor cleaned up, then we can start working on the walls. I don't even want to deal with it until I get the floor straightened up. I can't have all this garbage in here while I'm trying to work. It drives me nuts, right? You might be asking yourself, why are you doing this all by yourself? Because I don't want anybody to get into all this crap. We don't need Jenny and Troy breathing in this stuff or whatever, or being around potentially dangerous things. So I'll take care of it. I'm pretty safe for the most part. I've actually made a lot of progress on this room, folks. I mean, this is what you got to do, right? This is what rolling up your sleeves and getting down to business means. So we don't want to just show you the pretty things after it's finished. We want to show you how we got there. Some people would demo all this stuff and then clean up, but I'm cleaning up kind of first and demoing a little bit and then demo more later, because I just got to see what I'm working with, right? That's just how I do it. All right, we're coming to the home stretch of this little cleanup for right now. Let's get her done, get out of here. It's so hot, super hot, humid, all the terrible things that you can imagine. Okay, yes. Woo, looks a lot different in there now. Check that out. Big improvement, right? It's got a lot better. Woo!